Pest control is one of the most underrated jobs that actually saves homeowners thousands by keeping termites, ants, and other pests from wrecking their space. So, if you're thinking about handling pests in your home or just want to keep things chill without bugs crashing your pad, here's the lowdown. First, always spot the problem early. Check for signs like weird wood damage, tiny droppings, or even odd smells. Next, keep your house dry and clean, because pests love moisture and crumbs as much as we love pizza. Seal up cracks and gaps around windows and doors to keep the little critters out. Don't forget to store food in airtight containers and trash in sealed bins. Regularly trim bushes and trees away from your home, since pests use those as bridges inside. If you're using sprays or baits, follow instructions carefully. Overdoing it won't make pests vanish faster and can be risky. And hey, if the problem's stubborn or too big, don't be shy to call a pro. Pest control is about staying ahead, not just reacting once you see bugs everywhere. One of the biggest mistakes people make with pest control is ignoring small problems until they blow up into infestations, which ends up costing way more to fix. Another common issue is using the wrong products or over-applying chemicals, which can be dangerous for pets and kids and doesn't always solve the root of the problem. Lastly, many folks forget about regular maintenance like sealing entry points or keeping the yard tidy, which lets pests sneak back in anytime. The fix? Catch issues early by checking your home often, use pest products as directed or call experts for advice, and treat pest control like ongoing home care to keep those critters at bay. BigHomeProjects.com is your go-to spot, whether you're a homeowner, hunting for trusted local contractors who know their stuff, or a contractor looking to grow your business with real clients. It makes connecting easy and keeps your home projects hassle-free by linking you with professionals you can trust.